Don't move a muscle. You're going to love this, guys. To anyone in the UFO community who's been frustrated, here's the news we've all been waiting for, now confirmed, that many of us knew in the UFO community or the scientific community. Plasma is alive. It is sentient. It is intelligent. It is capable of communication. For the first time, peer-reviewed data, NASA mission footage, and leading-edge physics all coming together have pointed to a stunning conclusion. Plasma, the fourth state of matter, is a form of non-biological life which observes, reacts, and makes decision. It is no longer science fiction. It is now science fact. It is a life form found in the thermosphere over 200 miles above Earth. It has been filmed by 10 different NASA missions, STS-48, STS-123. These plasma entities are not just lights in the sky. They change direction instantly. They accelerate, they hover, they group, they stalk, and they interact as we know. They've been observed engaging in what scientists now describe as hunter predatory behavior, following targeting and even colliding with one another in coordinated energy exchanges. And they are not alone. These intelligent plasmas are drawn to other electromagnetic activity and life, like power stations, satellites, thunderstorms. They've even been seen hovering near nuclear sites. Well, we know that. We've been saying it. They've been seen over Japan, Norway, the United States, the United Kingdom. And according to even the most stuffy of researchers, like Dr. R. Joseph and colleagues, plasma can form complex structures, even double-layered membranes similar to cells. These dusty plasmas, as they're called, can replicate, grow, store energy, all the hallmarks of what we call life. In fact, their simulations suggest that within the plasma's nucleus, helix-like structures, possibly resembling RNA, can form, think about that, life, and carbon-based, but energy-based plasmas may even be able to self-organize like a little village, like a community. They may already be communicating. Some physicists say they behave like little neural networks capable of learning and memory-like activity. And here's the kicker. UAPs, or UFOs, those fast-moving orbs in the skies, the lights tracked by Navy pilots and visible on radar, many match the behavior and appearance of these plasmas exactly. You don't say. In 2006, the British Ministry of Defence concluded that many UAPs are buoyant, electrically charged magnetic phenomena, a direct match for these lifelike plasma entities. This is not a fringe theory anymore. This is now peer-reviewed, government-backed physics, verified reality. The world is catching up with what the UFO community have long been screaming about. We are not alone. But the life we've been looking for might not be piloting metallic crafts. It might be swimming through the upper atmosphere, thinking, watching, learning, communicating. Plasma is not just a state of matter. It may be the next recognized domain of life on Earth and beyond. And it's been there all the time. And we tried screaming at them. But plasma is there. We have non-human life, acknowledged, sentient, in our skies. And the reason we all see it at night is because it's there during the day as well. We just don't have the eyes and the light frequency to be able to see it. If you're watching this during the day, it's probably up there right above your head now, getting excited, because it can feel your energy and electricity. Give it a kiss from me.